The governor's budget actually takes a step in the right direction. It actually has decreased our spending, which was what we need because we have less revenue. And so that is a positive thing that the governor's message had yesterday. And that's what the citizens of the Commonwealth also want to have, is for our state government to spend less than it has in previous years. We know in the 193rd district that like ag research cannot be cut to zero. I'm not sure why that's a favorite governor's thing, even under Governor Rendell. But we have a stink bug issue. We have the emerald ash borer issues. So we have all kinds of issues going on in the 193rd that we need to address, and we actually have facilities in the 193rd to help us address it. I do not believe we have cut welfare hard enough. And the Auditor General addressed $1.8 billion in fraud and waste last year. We cut $400 million, so I think we can do another $500 million in our welfare budget and make that cut and not affect any programs too dramatically.